Hey y'all, I gotta get ready so fast. It's pitiful. Pitiful. Oh my gosh. I have to walk out the door in 5 minutes. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, here's the earrings that I got from my fun shirt that finally came in. And here's the fun shirt. It's from Chico's. All right, there's that. We're gonna do the basics today. I was gonna have a cup of coffee with y'all and everything, and then my husband goes, babe, do you realize what time it is? I love him. He loves to stress me out. No, he's helping me. So we're using my Chanel, just a circle of it, as I always do. And we're going to use this. I've lost my bag of cards, SD cards that I used to film these videos. Lost my bag. I don't know if I left it at work. I've looked in my briefcase. I've looked in my purse. I've looked everywhere, and I can't find it. So, I'm stressing. Because I have this one SD card that I'm filming on right now, and that is it. That's it, ladies. Alright, I'm going to go in my eye because I don't even have time for concealer. Maybe I can do a little dabble of it. I have some in my purse when I get to the restaurant. I'm going to a life group ladies luncheon. And I am in charge and late. Not late. I'm not late yet. Takes about 10 minutes to get there, and I've got 35 minutes, but right, Saturday traffic. Yes. Okay. Alright, that's the best I can do. There's my primer. Oh my gosh, I don't have a towel. This is the time for this palette. The Seductive Beauty palette. I hate the name, but it's perfect for this kind of a situation where I'm in such a hurry. So there's that across the lid. And here's the other thing about Charlotte Tilbury. It has such a nice sheen. She's really got such a nice formula that even when you're with your girlfriends and from the side and all that kind of stuff, it will show up so pretty. Okay. Just making sure. Okay. There's that. Now I'm going to use this middle color for transition. It's going to be very quickly done. Straight under the brow, back, and straight under the brow, right there, and then back across this transition area. Then a crease color. There's my blender. Where's my crease brush? Need a crease brush. Crease will do, not that one. Hello, why are my brushes hiding from me? Because I'm in a hurry. I'll just have to use this. I think that says crease brush. It does, dazzling crease brush. So we're going to the darker color, swirling it around because it's a round brush, and we're going into the crease. Start right there. That's where you put down because that's where most of the color will drop. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then we're just going to swirl that out on the edge, back and forth. And that just gives us our depth we were wanting. Back and forth, back and forth. And then some depth. Back and forth, back and forth. Then we're going to use our smudger. Lick it. Go straight into there. Go straight through the lashes. And then I'm going to definitely do that in the upper lashes because I don't have a lot of time. And I'm going to do that for the brow because I don't have a lot of time. Straight through the brow. Down. And a powder brow to me is the best anyway because it looks the most natural. There's no lines at all. You basically are filling in what you have and it just shows up better, I think. But I would definitely use a smudger brush so you can kind of stack those lines. Okay, going through the lashes. Through the lashes. And then I'm going to go right through the lashes on the top because I don't have a brow. I mean a liner. And we're going to go right through there because this one's a little lower. So I do stack it a little bit better. Or a little higher, I should say. And a little thicker because it's so much lower. And I'm just kind of going through these little hairs with little short strokes. Very controlled little short strokes. And that definitely is enough to build the brow to look a little fuller. That's enough. Okay, and hello, we've got this open. We can use the butt end of my brush for my contour and use the contour color bronzer and get right in that crease back there. And then also on the outer temple, just lean out so your hair will fall away from it. And get under the nose. Then get under the chin. And again under the chin. And then definitely blend out your neck. And then we're going to run through the blushes. Smile and go up. Smile in a roundy position on the bridge of the nose in front of the temple. Now we're going to come down, smile, and up. Smile. And then I'm going to do a little here on the bulbous part of the chin. Just kind of, ooh, I didn't blend that out good at all. There. Just kind of clean off the brush. Yeah. Okay. Just in case I'm going too fast and I'm going to just look awful, I'm just going to kind of knock these edges down, and I'm also going to go over that nose. And there. There. Now, I have the lipstick in my purse, so I can do that. I'm going to do a touch more of blush, y'all. Just a touch of this new color, because I think it's got a nice, pretty sheen. It's almost like putting highlighter on that doesn't even make sense. It's like, what? Love it. And liner. We're going to use It Cosmetics. And just because I'm in a hurry, I'm going to actually look down. And I'm going to actually pull the skin down. Because I'm trying to be very exact, very fast. And it's on. And I'm going to use a blender brush. Make sure I blend over here. Always got to make sure you blend. You don't want to do any makeup and then don't even bother to blend. Liner. We'll use a little liner this time. Let's get the brow out of the way. There. Just a little bit. There. This is where you have to slow down, y'all. You have to slow down to do your liner or you'll make a mess. Again. Went in the eye. That didn't feel very good. There. This is a much lighter. This is the GNC, and it's a much lighter. I got some on my fingers. There. Lighter liner. Lighter liner. Which mascara will I take with me? I'm going to take this. Because I got to let that dry, and I'll do my lips a little bit before, but I am going to add that brighter color. Actually, I think I have it right here with me. I think I do. Hold on. Hold on. I was positive I do. I do. Because I was going to do a skincare regimen. I don't have time for that right now. Sometimes you just don't. So this should be a nice blend. How's that look? Are y'all mostly just seeing the top of my head? And I know One more pass to get it even and color. And how does it look? I want it to be bright because this is bright, you know, but not too bright. Always get your little corners. Make sure nothing's in your little wrinkles there. And put on your lip gloss. And you're ready to go. So that's it. That is my very, very fast look. When I get out to the car, this will have dried, my liner, and I'll quickly add some mascara. Some mascara. And all will be well. Oh, you know what I do need to do? Very quickly, a little bit of concealer under here. Just to kind of brighten the area. There. Straight down, straight down. And there. Please make sure you use that concealer brush. Don't walk out like this, girls. Straight underneath. And blend that out. Straight beside the nose. Down through the little areas. Make sure you get that one. Straight through. Make sure you get the side of the nose. Just kind of blend it outward. So brighten. There you go. And then right down the nose, especially since I got that a little too strong earlier. And we're done. I could use to set it. What did I do with it? The It Cosmetics powder. And you know what? That really was good powder. The Bye Bye Pores, we're going to use it. But I think it includes this sponge for a reason. I think it wants you to fill those pores with it. This is translucent if y'all are wondering like, oh my gosh, Beth, that is too much. Don't worry.